Mount Sinai is on a pathway towards continually trying to be the top in everything that we do, whether it's science or medicine. Things that existed 50 years ago no longer exist today. But change is slow. But how can we make healthcare safer and more effective? It's by taking the people that are doing their jobs and doing their best to do their jobs and giving them a helping hand. There is no doubt that if we use technology in the right ways, at the right time, that we can make the journey better for people.
We do things like increasing mobility. We worry about the risk for our patients, not just for falling, but for those who might have an injury should they fall. I think this technology is going to take us to a place from reacting to really being able to step into the field of preventative medicine in the way that we need to right now.
Malnutrition has a major impact on patient care. They have longer length of stay overall in the hospital, longer length of stay in the ICU, they have poor wound healing, they have increased risk of infections. And so the quicker you can identify and start treating it, the earlier we can get a nutrition intervention going.
We have a rapid response team run by in-house intensivists 24/7, 365 days a year. We decided to develop a predictive model so that we could target our patient population better. The marriage of clinician with scientist was a match made in heaven. So they came up with their model, we put a human touch to it.
Mount Sinai is bringing data science to the front lines of healthcare. Well, what does that mean to us? Information just tends to sit in repositories and it's not living, it's not breathing. We have our data scientists looking at the incredible amount of data that we store from our electronic health records and other sources. And we're creating, in a very rapid fashion, tools that can make the world safer for our patients.
We built predictive models by using machine learning approaches to optimize clinical decisions in different care settings.
What we've done is built a number of algorithms that are trying to predict potential problems with patients or predict patients' conditions.
At the start of every shift, each clinician signs into the electronic medical record. It actually highlights any patient who's at risk in yellow, which is our universal symbol for falls here at Mount Sinai Hospital.
I can look at that tool and it helps me figure out, of all the patients that I haven't seen so far yet on my unit, who's most likely to benefit from a nutrition visit and who's most likely to have a major nutrition problem.
I'll get an alert on my phone saying this patient has a 65% chance of deteriorating in the next 6 hours. And we have 6 hours ahead of time to stabilize that patient. It is absolutely a game changer.
Artificial intelligence enables our technology to continuously improve and adapt to change.
So as we get real-time information about laboratory values and vital signs and tests, we are in real time running that data through our models and generating a risk prediction.
The game changer that we're talking about is creating not just technology, but technology that is accessible and usable for the healthcare delivery professionals. That's the vision as we go into the future.